Beautiful bag. Where'd you get it? Wait. Wait.
She's not. She's just in there.
Where'd you go?
Fast asleep.
Hello.
You're not, I haven't seen
There
a
she-
picture of her.
Hello.
Nobody will know it's you. Of course they will. How? By your voice? How? She's not on it either.
Say,
Well, if it does, I'll get rid of it.
What is she doing?
too late. You gotta get rid of it.
Is she biting it?
She's going after the iPod.
What is she doing in there?
She's defending it though. She's like, no, I'm gonna stay in here. Sorry?
She don't let you drive. Can I drive you to the bus at least?
It's
Oh, Debbie,
there.
No, let's
It's right there.
Drive you.
Relax. I'm fine. Frankie.
take her an hour to get home.